This is Scott the Fix It Guy. Today we have a KitchenAid stove with a stuck burner, so the burner will not move. It doesn't turn on the back burner and the knob is just stuck. So we're going to be doing a really simple repair. It should just take you a couple of minutes and pull off the knob. It should just pull straight off, and I just can't move this thing with my fingers at all. Sometimes these are kind of cheap parts, they just get stuck. So I'm going to take some of this white lithium grease. You can use oil, would work fine too. Any kind of lubricant is going to be effective. This has a little red tube that makes it easier to apply directly where you want it. So I'm going to shake it up a little bit, and I'm going to squirt some down in this stem, and that'll bring some of this lubricant down to the valve itself. And just going to squirt a little bit in there. You can just put a few drops of oil, would be fine too. Almost any kind of oil would work. And then I'm going to grab a pair of pliers, and I'm going to gently push in first. It's important that you push in. I'm going to turn to the left just a little bit, and then I'm going to do it again, just wiggling to the left. A little bit of pressure while I'm turning in. Just be patient. Keep trying. Maybe add a little bit more lubricant. And eventually it will turn left, and the flame will turn on, and you will have fixed the knob. There we go. So it just needs a little bit of lubricant and some wiggling and the pressure that you could get by using a pair of pliers. And the valve will move, and you'll be back in business. If it still won't move after some pressure, it's important to replace the valve itself, but this is the first thing you can try. So lubricant, and then using pliers or vice grips, you push in and turn to the left, just a little bit of force, maybe a little bit more lubrication, a little bit more wiggling and turning, and then you will have fixed your stove. So hope this has helped you, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.